Hello students, this is another problem session on straight lines. So in this video we will discuss some problems related to parallel and perpendicular lines. So the first question that we address is find the equation of the line which passes through the point is given and parallel to the line. This is the equation of line. So we have a line which is parallel to our given line and we have a point. Now the scenario is, suppose this is the line 2x plus 5y equal to 7, and suppose this is our given line we need to find which passes through 3 comma 1. So we have a point, we need a slope to find the equation of this line using point slope form. Now we know two parallel lines have the same slope, so if we can find the slope of this line, then this slope of this line is equal to the slope of this line. Okay, then we can find the slope of our given line and we have a point, so we can apply point slope form. So this is how we approach the problem. So first let px comma y be a point on the line which passes through the point a 3 comma 1. Okay, suppose slope is m. Now the equation of line, this is equation 1 suppose. So then 1 in the gradient form can be expressed as this. We have already addressed this part in our previous video. So if we can express the line in gradient form, then this is the slope of the line. So slope of line 1 is minus 2 by 5. As the two lines are parallel, it means the slope of our given line m is equal to minus 2 by 5. So we have a slope and we have a point, so we can apply point slope form. So on applying point slope form, we have the equation of line as follows. Okay, so this is how we approach the problem. For the next question, our line passes through a point and it is perpendicular to this line. So scenario is same. Suppose this is our given line which passes through minus 2 comma 3. Okay, and it is perpendicular to this line. This line is 3x plus y equal to 4. So suppose the slope of this line is m1 and slope of our line is m2, then we know m1 m2 equal to minus 1. So we use this formula to obtain slope of our line and then we can apply point slope form. So we see, let px comma y be any point on the line which passes through 2 comma minus 3 and is perpendicular to line 1. So let m be the slope of our line, then m into slope of line 1 is equal to minus 1, that we have discussed. Okay, so in gradient form, line 1 can be expressed as y equal to minus 3x plus 4. That means minus 3 is the slope of line 1. Okay, so on applying the formula, the slope of our given line is nothing but 1 by 3. So now we can apply point slope form, and on applying point slope form, we can the equation of line is this one. Okay, the next question is find the equation of line which passes through the point 1 comma 3 and inclined to the positive x-axis at an angle of 30 degree. So suppose this is the x and y axis, x-axis, y-axis. This is our line which is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. So we have angle of inclination, then we can find the slope as 10th of 30 degree. Okay, so we have a point and we have angle of inclination. We have angle of inclination. So the slope of the line is given by m equal to 10 30 degree, that is 1 by root 3. So on applying point slope form, because we already have a point, applying point slope form, we can easily find the equation of line. Okay, so this is very simple. Find the equation of line which passes through 2 comma 3 and makes an equal intercepts on both the axes. So what is the equal intercept means? Means suppose this is x, y axis, this is the line, this is a and this is also a. Okay, then in intercept form we can express the line as x by a plus y by a equal to 1. It means x plus y equal to a is our line. So what is the value of a? Now the line passes through a point. Okay, now line passes through 2 comma 3. It means if you can put x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, we can get the value of a. So a is 5, therefore the line is x plus y equal to 5. Find the equation of line of find the equation of straight line which passes through the point 3 comma 2 and sum of whose intercept is 10. Okay, so it is given, suppose this is the line, this is the line which makes x and y intercept as follows. Then this x, a plus b is equal to 10. So let a and b be x and y intercept, and by the line on x be the y intercept by the line on x axis and y axis respectively. The equation of line in intercept form is given by this. Okay, again the line passes through 2 comma 3. This line passes through 2 comma 3. Sorry, this is a mistake. Let me correct this question part. This is 2 comma 3. Okay, you can apply 3 comma 2 also, same thing, but I have to change the problem. That is why I have changed just one point. You can do the same thing by assuming 3 comma 2 also, no problem. Okay, we'll get almost the same result only, hopefully. So This is the thing. The line passes through 2 comma 3. So 2 by a plus 3 by b is equal to 1. Okay, we put x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Now it reduces to this one. Again, it is given that a plus b equal to 10. Okay, we have discussed. So we have two equations and two unknowns. So using 2 in 1, we can see that a plus 20 is equal to a bracket 10 minus a using 2. So on simplifying the equation, we get a quadratic equation. On solving quadratic equation, we get the value of s 4 comma 5, and if a is 4 comma 5, then b is 6 comma 5 correspondingly. Now the equation of lines satisfying the condition is x by 4 plus y by 6 equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 5. So this is how we solve the problem. You can try this because in the question I have mentioned 3 comma 2. So I have solved the problem in 2 comma 3. So you can try with 3 comma 2 and let me know the answer in the comment section. Thank you so much. We will meet in another video. Thank you.